If you want to split the drive partitions on the storage memory, you can do that through Disk Management. Right-click on the Windows icon and then select Disk Management. After the Disk Management window appears, you can see several storage parts. In this tutorial, I will take the amount of storage volume from Disk C. Right-click on the disk partition. Choose Shrink Volume. In the Shrink Partition C window, you can set the volume sharing amount. I will allocate a volume of 50,000 megabytes from Disk C. After that, click Shrink. And now, there is a storage that is still unlocated. Right-click, then select New Simple Volume. Click Next. Here I will allocate all the volumes that are still unallocated. If you have adjusted the number of volumes, select Next. You can choose the letter for the newly created drive. And choose Next again. On the file system drive, I use NVS format. And for volume label, you can type the label name for the new storage drive. Next step, choose Next. If everything is as we want, click Finish. And now, the new part drive has been successfully created and can be used. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.